Hey guys, so this is video number 2 of the Golf Cart Trade Flip series. I'll link video number 1 and video number 3 at the end of this, and then I'll tie them all together so you can see how this project turned out. So I just wanted to show you what I'm working on here. So this is the 48 volt Yamaha. We power washed this thing up the other day on the last video, and I've been charging the batteries. It's got 4 of the 12 volt batteries making 48 volts. And these require a special charger, guys. They need a 48 volt golf cart charger, which actually plugs in right there, right in there. I don't have one. Well, wait till you see what I got. I didn't have one, and so I've been using this 12 volt car charger, and what I did is I just disconnected the batteries. I just disconnected this one lead so that these weren't connected in series anymore, and I've just been charging one battery at a time, and I've got them all to where they're taking about 4 amps, so I think it's pretty close to being full. But in order to sell this thing, I'm gonna need the proper battery charger. And so I went on the inner screen there and checked out the Amazon, and I found a golf cart charger, guys. I found actually 2 of them that I liked. One was a small little dinky, I think it was a 6 amp charger, and the other one was a 15 amp, like a smarter charger. And so the dinky one was like $180, and the good one was $380. And I thought, you know what, seeing as we got this baby basically for free, it's worth sinking some money into it, and it needs a charger, so I bought the good charger. They said it wouldn't be delivered until August 14th. I ordered it this past Sunday or Monday, so I think it was July 13th. And today, ta-da, showed up a charger. So we're gonna have a golf cart charger unboxing video. Guys, I think this is my very first unboxing video on my channel, and we're gonna get to see what $380 gets you for a golf cart charger. So the chargers that I was looking at, like the standard kind of charger that you would buy at a golf cart shop, were almost $700. This one, made offshore, was I want to say 320 plus shipping. Was $40 to ship it. It came from the States, and I'm up in Canada, eh? So we've got here a F series lead acid battery charger, and of course we're not going to read the directions. We just want to see this baby. There it is. It's got a bit of weight to it. I'd say it weighs about 10 pounds, maybe. There's the power cable, guys. And then that's the Yamaha style 2-pin connector charger. So this thing, apparently it's got a different charge rate. So probably when the batteries are low, really low, it charges faster, and as they come up to charge, it charges slower. So let's try this out, guys. There, I'm just gonna move some things around a little bit. We're gonna reconnect our battery pack so that she sees 48 volts. And then we'll take this, we'll just rest it right there. So this is our connector for the Yamaha, and that just plugs in like that. I heard a pop, so we obviously got some kind of connectivity going on. And now we just need our power cable. What I'm going to end up doing, guys, is installing this charger down in between these 2 batteries. There's a little cavity there, and I'm going to hardwire it to the back of this plug, so you don't actually have to install the charger anywhere. It's on board, and we're just going to basically have this power cable hanging off the cart somewhere so that wherever you go you can plug in and charge. So here we go. Let's plug this baby in and see what happens. So, ooh, look at that. We got some LEDs. We're drawing 14.9 amps, or actually we're pushing 14.9 amps into the battery pack, and she's at 57 volts. I can actually hear, I don't know if you can hear them. You can hear those batteries. That was quick, boiling away. So there's LED 1 and LED 2. Probably indicates the charging rate and how full the batteries are. I better read the directions on this to make sure that I'm doing it right, but that's kind of neat, guys. What I'll do is I'll put the link to this charger down in the comment section of the video so that you can see so that you can order one of these if you want one after you see it functioning. Look at that, it's starting to drop the amp rate, guys, as this gets full. So I'm going to let this charge for a little bit, and when something happens here, when something changes here, I'm going to turn this back on so you can see what's going on. The battery on my camera is just giving me a message it's starting to die. I'll be right back. Okay, so she's getting down there. She's at 59 volts, which is about the top of the charging spectrum for a 48 volt golf cart. And she's coming down to 7 amps of charge. So I think according to the instructions, at some point it's going to drop down into, I guess, trickle charge mode. And we should see a green LED here, and we should see this number drop down to maybe 2 amps, and this number drop down probably to about 50, I'd say 56 volts or so. That's kind of where they like to float. My phone battery that I'm filming with isn't very good today. Never is very good anyways. Don't buy a Google Pixel 2, guys, if you're going to be doing a lot of YouTube videos with it. But anyway, so this thing should click off to trickle mode shortly. I can still hear the batteries. They're not as noisy as they were when I first plugged it in. Mind you, they were almost fully charged because I have been charging them all week, like I said earlier in the video. So yeah, this charger seems to do the trick. It quality feels decent. I'm gonna have to run this cart down tomorrow and cycle the batteries a few times because it's been sitting for a while. They need a couple charge cycles, and I think we're just gonna clean her up. Just do a little polish up and a clean and some Armor All and a little bit of sanding, wire wheel, and some black spray paint. And we'll put this baby up for sale. I have no idea what it's going to sell for. I kind of hope to see a couple $1,000, maybe $2,500. I don't know. With COVID right now, guys, places that need carts like this are buying them up like crazy because the Workers' Compensation Board rules state that I don't think you can have more than one person per cart on a job site anymore. So everyone has to multiply their fleet times 2. I know where this came from, the cart yard. They had nothing. Every single one of their used carts sold. So hopefully this sells quick this weekend, and we can reinvest this money into something else. I kind of want to buy myself a new motorcycle, so I'll inject a scene of a motorcycle in right now real quick with some funky happy music. And maybe what we'll do is do a video about some motorcycling coming up, do some fun videos for this channel. I'm going to take the month of August off my second job. I'm only going to work my primary, my shift A as I like to call it. I'm going to kill shift B for August because the temperature gets hot, and I kind of want a little bit of a break. I'm tired of working a full-time job and a part-time, 3/4 full-time job. I want to work on some of my projects here in the barn. I got lots of them, guys. This place is full of stuff I don't have time for, so I'm going to make some time. Oh, I can hear it. The fans come on. She's getting hot. I think she means she's almost full, guys. Oh yeah, you can feel it. It's a great charger so far. I suggest if you need a golf cart charger, you pick one of these up. The price sure was right. I'm impressed with it. Anyway, this thing's going to click off any minute, and I'll do another video tomorrow of us finishing cleaning this thing up and taking it for a spin. And then we'll put her up on the inner screen there for sale. And hopefully we get ourselves a buyer before the weekend's out. Like I said, it might be new motorbike time. Alright, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video on this project, and thanks for watching.